So assume this. Your DNA is a recipe book. Now what if I told you scientists can now edit that recipe? Something like, oops, this gene grew an extra toe. Let's just delete that. Welcome to genome editing. It's basically the Photoshop of biology. But instead of removing pimples, we adjust genetic diseases. Meet CRISPR, which stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats. Wow, science is a thing for weird names. Anyways, it's like molecular scissors. But instead of cutting paper, it cuts DNA. Nicely, precisely, no drama, unless you're a virus. Now meet Cas9, the protein that does the chopping. It's like CRISPR's little sidekick, the molecular ninja. So, how does this happen? To edit DNA, scientists often use stem cells, which can grow into any type of cell. Then they use a tool called Cas9 to find and cut a specific gene. Then the cell tries to fix itself. During this process, scientists can remove, fix, or insert a new gene. And later, this cell will grow into a healthier cell and may even be used to treat diseases. Caution! Gene editing comes with a lot of risks, and we're not here to play God. We're here to fix nature's bugs meticulously.